So ladies and gentlemen, let's do our countdown. Ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you are, ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Battle City is now officially open in the City of Smiles.
Tama nga sila, this is one of the biggest na paddle na
Pickleball court.
arena for pickleball court.
Yes.
And 7 yung nagawa na, pero meron pa silang upcoming na 8 courts. So
Mga pickleball players talaga kayong dalawa.
actually natuto na lang po kami dahil nga syempre sa mga friends, yung circle of friends namin naglalaro din. And then yung natuto naman kami, na-enjoy namin.
Yeah. Ito na yung bagong hobby namin.
Yes,
Kapag
bilang
walang
mag-asawa,
trabaho,
yeah, oo.
bonding na namin siya. Actually, ang ganda na ginawa nila to. Syempre, para sa mga kababayan natin, it's always nice na ma-encourage or encourage natin yung bawat isa to stay active and fit din. So, napakagandang ground to. Aside from business, syempre, malaki yung potential ng lugar. Dahil hindi lang siya pickleball, meron pang parang car wash pa sila dito.
Maraming pwede magawa.
Study room, meron silang gagawin.
And yung pickleball din, hindi lang pang friends eh. Kumbaga, full family talaga. Like, may anak ka, may pamangkin ka, may pinsan ka, may, lahat pang pamilya din talaga.
Sa mga kapuso natin, may bagong playground na po tayo dito sa Bacolod City at napakaganda bagong bukas sa Bacolod City para sa
Kaya naman iniimbitahan namin kayo, pumunta na sa Bacolod City. Tara na, let's play pickleball.
Yeah, let's have fun and stay active!
I'm inviting everyone, especially sa mga nagahampang na sa pickleball, and those who would like to try and play pickleball. I know you heard about the sport, and I hope you visit Paddle City. Paddle City is not the only court complex in Bacolod. Damo-damo di sa pong sang court sa Bacolod, no? But I hope nga isa man ang Paddle City nga libutan sa aton nga mga members ng pickleball community. So we're thankful to Governor Bong Lacson. I'm thankful also to Congressman Javi Benitez, to Councilor Jason Villarosa for visiting and for gracing the opening of Paddle City. And this is what we've worked for in the past 4 months. But the best is yet to come. So stay tuned, and we'll update you for some more.
tomorrow-
Actually, right after the celebrity exhibition game, open play will start. And our court rental will run from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. every day for 7 days. And then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. ma-start ang atong open plays at 8. Then from 5 p.m. to 12 midnight, ma-open ang aton nga open plays at 8.
Kaya ginbutan ang open play sa hapon kaya because ang tao.
Because by experience, mas damo ang nagahampang ko na ako. No? After office, after their business, daw mo na.
So, ano bilang investment sa incorporators?
Well, this is a warehouse, warehouse ni sa naton nga pag-prepare. More on refurbishing lang kita and more on the painting. But the biggest investment we had was for the painting at San Corto, especially for the floor leveling. But lima kami ginbululigan namon, nakaluyan man natigayon nato.
So, open to all ages?
Yes, open to all ages. Anybody can play, especially those nga, our courts are beginner friendly. So, pwede gid para sa tanan.
Sir, since pickleball, damugang bal ng hype lang, do you think masustain ang pickleball sports?
At first we thought na hype lang siya, no? But as we try to observe the community and everything about pickleball, I think this is something that will stay for a long time. Because ara pa lang ta nagapasaka pa lang ta sa Discovery. Actually, wala pa ni sa hype eh. Ari pa lang ta sa Discovery eh. Maybe hype, but I think especially in Bacolod and in Negros, we are still in the stage of discovery that more and more people are trying to get to know what the sport is all about and get to know the people who are playing it. So I think this will stay, and we are praying that the sport will stay because medyo malawig ang among gina-target rin.